Hi, this is Barbara, one of the co-founders here at Ponga, with another quick tip on how to add content to Ponga pictures. Would a close-up of an object or detail help to tell a story about a moment captured in a photo? Let me show you how to do that. In exploring this picture, for example, I recognized a lot of the people in the picture, but it was the building in the background that just kept ringing a bell, and I knew I'd seen it before. So I went back to pictures that I had and realized, oh my goodness, that was this picture. This is the old family home, and I could see just details right in there. So I took some screenshots of just the areas that really made the most sense. And wait, could this be that little girl right there? So now I'm going to go ahead, go back to the picture, and now associate that detail right here into the image. Since I want to share the picture with my relatives, I'm going to go back and get the link for this picture. We had it right here. Copy link. It's now copied onto my clipboard. Go down here and say, I think this is the family home. There we go. Paste that in there. And you know what? Let's go ahead and grab those screenshots I just found and see what they say. Notice that I can just drop pictures, close-ups. These are close-ups from that image from 1935. Let's just add a little more background here for my cousins. You can see I've added close-ups to the selection two ways, one as a pasted public link, and second as images added directly into the comment window. Thanks so much for watching. We have more tips for you. Just take a look at the sites here and follow along. Can't wait to see you next.